Hey guys, welcome to another TribalWars video. So today I'm gonna make 5 tips for beginners how to survive or at least be decent at this game. First thing first, I'm not really enjoying this video making thing for the tutorials or whatever. I just like to play the game. So smash that like button because this is for you guys, okay? So, tip number 1, follow quests. If you follow quests, it's actually best possible start for you if you do everything exactly as it is with quests, and also it will guide you through the game, so you will have a better understanding with the basics. And with the quests, I'm not sure if I'm zoomed in or zoomed out, so let's zoom out and back in now. So there is this scavenging thing. If you're a defensive player, make sure you make spears, swords. If it's archer world, archers as well. Later on you can do heavy cavalry, make sure you have your paladin. I'm just gonna send randomly those guys to humble howlers. I'm not really playing here seriously since this is more of a premium point farm for me. And yeah, so basically if you're defensive oriented, just to do some scavenging, and if you like to go offense, you need axemen, light cavalry, mounted archers. And well, at first it's just a lot of light cavalry, so you can go ahead and farm. Speaking of farming, so tip number 2, try to farm the shit out of this world. So usually at the loot assistant there is I could just purchase it now, but I don't really care. So basically you can insert some units and really quickly farm things with A or B choices, so that's pretty cool. And over here it's actually possible to just smash your keyboard shortcut, press and hold sometimes as well, and it will send out like I don't know, 5,000 farming rounds just in a minute or 2 minutes. So that's more of a later game. 5,000 units, 5,000 attacks you don't send out with one village, most likely. Maybe some of you do, some crazy guys do. But for starters, it's just, you know, go ahead and, okay, yeah, it just kicks me back at this, but I'm not gonna buy it. So if you don't have this loot assistant, don't worry. No, I'm not gonna write you. Just go ahead and attack people around, send some units, and note that units have different speeds. You don't ever want to send spear fighters together with swordsmen, so those are 2 most popular defensive units. I'm gonna quickly go in the smithy, and I'm gonna show you spears. So offense, defense, cavalry, and archer defense doesn't matter. There we go. Speed, 18 minutes per field. So if you send 100 spear fighters to farm a village, you don't want to add 1 swordsman because this is 22 minutes per field, so it's gonna add up 4 minutes to a total walking duration. So basically your army will walk as its slowest unit, so most likely it's the catapults and rams with 30 minutes per field, unless you got that nobleman. That boy is really lazy and slow. But what you gonna do, right? The sucker wants to conquer another village. So yeah, tip number 2, farm the fuck out of this world. Sorry for the language, guys. Let's move on to tip number 3. And this is one of the most important tips, so be good with your mail. First thing first, once you just start, you want to contact around with players that you see have some potential. So you gather up some friends early on. Obviously you can never trust them. In this game you never trust anyone. Okay? So that's best tip ever, actually. That's over all these tips, but since you're a beginner, be good with your mail, get some friends early on, and that way you can kind of count on some of them that they will at least not to attack you and maybe will help you in case of emergency. So that might get you deeper in this game. So obviously most of the beginners can never survive early, or okay, early game that they can, but middle game they're pretty much a dead meat unless they really get lucky in a good tribe. And move on to tip number 4. So one of the most important things is get a good tribe. So this is really important, guys, because without a tribe you're nothing here. It's called a TribalWars for a reason, right? Can I do this and then zoom it out a little bit and make this map fucking huge? Oh yeah, that's what she said, right? I can also do this map bigger. Oh, I like it big, guys. Do you like it? I can also zoom in, but that doesn't work, right? So let's zoom out. Okay, so when to choose a tribe? Let's say you're somewhere out here on the rim, you're a little tiny sucker, and you want to look for a tribe. Well, you would probably go to the rankings and check out the continent tribes, right? So probably top tribe in this continent. Okay, well, I don't know what the fuck I did. Come on, just give me the drunk one. I did continent one. Okay, sorry guys. Yeah, so basically, oh, you see the top tribe. They're like, okay, I'm gonna join it, but they will never take a sucker like you in a tribe. But you can always click their tribe and contact their leadership. Just talk with them, get to know each other, and somewhere along the line, it's possible also to get in, let's say, their sister or brother or mother or father tribes. So let's say this thingy, I'm gonna zoom it in. So this one would be much more likely that you can get in. And so once you're in alliance, you can just climb up your way around it and kind of get in the main tribe later on. But yeah, that's once the dominance of the continent is established by a certain tribe. If there is still unclear what to do and which tribe will take over the continent, sometimes it's better just to wait rather than just jump ships early on, you know, because later on people will assume you as a traitor, backstabber, or just, you know, a lazy fuck who just wants to be comfy in some kind of nice tribe. But this is Tribal Wars, this is not a sissy game, right? You gotta take a tribe and you gotta help them. And loyalty is really actually underestimated in this game. Maybe some players really are not the strongest, the fastest, the most experienced, the most skilled, but they're loyal. And if they're loyal, it's actually really nice to keep them around. Not too many. Let's say you have 35 places in a tribe. I assume in this world it is so. Oh, this is a dildo tribe. Okay, I'm gonna zoom it in. Can I? Okay, let's say I'm gonna check this out. This oh, so small. Come on, I need 30 or something. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I lost my tab. Yeah, let's say there's 35 places in a tribe. You don't want to have like 20 loyal players inside because they will not be able to carry the load. Yeah, so tribe tag rank. Give me a rank. Give me one. Yes. Oh, in this world only 30 members. Yeah, that's pretty tight. So you gotta gather up a nice team. So this is why they create a lot of academy and sister, brother, mother tribes. Alright, let's not make this video too long. Let's move on to tip number 5. Don't focus on the scripts. Don't try to overcomplicate simple things for yourself. Many players ask me, do a script tutorials, do script videos. I always think like, maybe just get familiar with the game. Walk around, get familiar with the units, who's offensive, who's defensive, what kind of units do what, so you kind of, you know, start to understand things. It doesn't matter if you can backtime, dodge, snipe, or whatever. If you just get nobbled before you can even, you know, nobble someone else. So now showing off the mail, someone from my country, Latvia, is writing me. Yeah, he's trying to get me in another game. I told him that I don't really have a lot of time, so I probably just cut it out or not. So fuck this, just smash like button, okay? Yeah, don't overcomplicate this game for yourself, guys. I'm accepting all the friend requests since they're most likely following my YouTube channel. And yeah, speaking about the tribe, see this should be a good example, guys, okay? I'm not sure if you can see. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out. So we have 15, okay, one dead. If you ever have a tribe with someone who's already gone, yeah, that's pretty much a good signal that you don't want to stay in this tribe, because it's a dead meat. And the fact that they're keeping me as just a premium points farmer in this tribe for so long also shows that it's a beginner's tribe. And obviously in such tribes you feel okay for a while, you guys talk about things and, you know, exchange some scripts or ideas. And after a while, what's this support topic becomes really popular and everybody's screaming for help. So yeah, they have some packs over here, that's cool. Yeah, well, it's really not necessary to scream for support if you can handle things by yourself. And in all cases, if it's possible to handle everything by yourself, just do it. But also warn players around, so just contact with them and also make a post in a forum that you're under attack. Just right now, no support is required. So everybody stay alert, and if you ask for support, you will get immediate help because you already prepared your dudes to help you. Rather than just, you know, everybody's on a vacation, you just smash the forums all day long and nobody's responding you because they wasn't alerted, you know. So of course, if you want to minimize the losses and you have someone for quick defense, quick defense should always be used. So that's the thing that will give you your friends ODD, ODS, and everything else they want. And your opponents will just suffer big losses. So yeah, those are the top 5 tips I can give you. So let's recap again. Follow quests, first one. farm the shit out of this world. Second one, get a good tribe. Third one, so fourth one, be good with your mail. And fifth one, don't overcomplicate things with scripts and everything. That comes up later on. Try to survive up until 5 villages, okay? I used to have almost 4,000 villages in this world account, and with just very few scripts, and mostly I just use the premium account, just as I have now subscribed. I actually got that free premium after 500 points. Since I'm PP farming here, I don't want to spend my own, because I'm gonna do another takeoff, maybe with 50,000 premium points. What do you think, guys? That would be awesome. So yeah, get at least 5 villages before you worry about all kinds of scripts. And for beginners, okay, this will be bonus tip, but just a tip, guys, yeah? Okay, that's what she said. Get that farming script, guys, because that's useful with even a 1 village. So you can copy that script and go to the quick bar. Haven't done this for a while. I'm gonna zoom out. I'm not sure how much you can see. So okay, zoom back in. You can see add a new link, add new break, blah blah blah. So let's do a new link. You will write down here farm or whatever you want. You can actually put image in. So whenever I do farming scripts, I like one of the horses. So this will show the image, and there you will control V the script that you got. I have no idea what I'm doing, but just for the sake of argument, you can now see in the taskbar up here that I have this farm icon, right? So if I press it, okay, it doesn't show me anything because obviously this is not a script, but you get the idea, guys. Yeah, that's how you add it, and you will be able to run it to pressing up over here. And now just there will be choices. You just smash that A button after. Okay, first you go here, then press farm, and then just smash that one button, whichever units you choose, to send everywhere. First thing, you need to find farms, and usually I find farms manually. There is like automatic ways as well, I hear, but it's not that complicated, guys. Just spend 20 minutes in one day, and that will be like really useful for next half a year, maybe more. Yeah, I try to update my farms every week or 2 weeks, because there is a lot of new barbarians or dead meat hanging around. That's all about my top 5 tips for beginners, how to survive here, at least till the middle game or until the 4 villages. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and whatever buttons you like to play, just the buttons. Yeah, don't play. Okay, yeah, bye.